Hello and welcome to Inkscape for Teachers. I've had a request for a video on how to draw an opaque cylinder. So one like this one, so here we go. I'll just select all of that and delete, and we'll start again. First with the ellipse tool here, and I'll click and drag an ellipse. And I'll give that a fill. I think it's already a white fill on mine, but yours might have no fill, but click a colour here to give it a fill. Then select tool, Control D to duplicate, and then drag the duplicate down to say there. Now back to the rectangle tool, and we want to make sure that nodes of ellipses is selected in the snapping department here. So you need snapping tools on there and this icon on here. Now our rectangle tool, will click and drag from there to there. Again, give that a fill, the same colour fill perhaps. Click away, and we're almost there. Now what I might do is select that ellipse, Control D to duplicate that, then shift click to hold the rectangle to select the rectangle and the bottom ellipse, and then union those shapes, path union. So there's the shape there, but if I click on this and send it to the back using that icon there, you can see the other ellipse that I had originally is now there. So that might be all you want, but if you want the dotted line ellipse at the bottom, you can duplicate this top ellipse, select Control D and Control drag down to there, or actually just drag. Sometimes Control drag doesn't work as well as just dragging, and you see it snapping into those corners there. Now under the fill and stroke, Control Shift F to bring that up. And under stroke style, I'll select under the dashes, some dashes down here, and you might think you're done, but you can see they show through a little bit there, which is a little bit annoying. So you can select that, and let's see, perhaps, or you might think send it to the back. If I click that, but then it disappears. So Control Z there. So let's take out the fill from that. If I click down here, take out the fill, then that helps, and I think that's probably good enough. I'll Control drag, or just drag that out of the way. You can see this ellipse here. If you wanted to, you could press E again, and this little circle here, excuse me, you can drag around there. If you drag on the outside, actually drag to there and let go, and you can then move that into place. I've done the wrong bit, but I'll just reflect that in a vertical axis and drag it up there. That's another way that you can get the dotted bit there. I'll move this back into position, and you can see there's my ellipse. If I click the rectangle there, I can change the fill, sorry. If I want to make it a lighter colour, I can drag that, or I could do the opacity down here, could drag that, Control Z. If I want to do the top as well, shift click to select both of them and do them both at once. So there's a way you can draw an opaque ellipse, and I hope that helps. Thank you to the subscriber or the viewer that made the comment asking for that video. Bye for now.